This video will discuss some of the new features that have been added to Shape Builder 12. Let's get started. In Shape Builder 12, custom shape databases, their categories, and shapes can now all be added, edited, and deleted directly in the program. To add a new custom shape database, simply right-click in the white space of the Project Manager, Create tab, and select Add Database. The name and image path for the database are defined in the dialog box that appears. Right-click on an existing custom shape database to delete the database, edit the database, or to add a category to the database. After selecting Add Category, the shape type, name, and image path for the category are defined in the dialog box that appears. Note, the shapes in a category can only contain a single shape type. For example, both eye shapes and angles cannot exist in the same category. Right-click on an existing category to delete the category, edit the category, or to add a shape to that category. After selecting Add Shape, the name and default materials for the shape can be set in the dialog box that appears. After defining the dimensions for the shape, you can click the Calculate Properties button to automatically generate all possible section properties for the specified dimensions. You can also manually enter the cross-section properties for the shape, which is convenient if, for example, you want to match the properties that are in a published database. Right-click on an existing shape to edit or delete the shape. In Shape Builder 12, all of the shapes in a category can be exported to the clipboard by right-clicking on the category and selecting the Export Shapes to Clipboard option. From the clipboard, the shapes can be pasted into a spreadsheet or text file. Note, even if a shape category is empty, the Export Shape to Clipboard option will copy the header information to the clipboard for the shape type of that category. This makes it easy to learn the format for a particular shape type that should be used for the Import Shapes from Clipboard feature. Note, when shapes are imported from the clipboard into a category, some of the section properties are generated automatically. Right-click on an imported shape to manually adjust the section properties if needed. The Custom Shape Database overhaul will also allow databases to load faster and improve the performance of the program overall. Two new parametric shapes have been added to Shape Builder 12, a bent Z shape with lips and a bent eave strut. For the Z shape, the lip angle can be set as needed. For the eave strut, the angles for the top and bottom flanges can be set individually, and the lips can be set to be parallel to the web or perpendicular to the flanges. Side points can now be modified for individual shapes in the Project Manager Modify tab. Select a shape and specify if side points should be generated, and if so, you can set what the dimension is of the smallest side that will have a midpoint. For example, if you have a 6x4 inch rectangle and the minimum side length equals 5 inches, the 6-inch side will have a side point and the 4-inch side will not. A default material preference has been added for simple parametric shapes. Enter a material name or path to be used as the default when parametric shapes are added to the model. Several updates have been made to the shape database since the previous version of the program. The Steel Tube Institute Design Manual Volume 1 shape database has been added to the program, which includes more shapes for round, square, and rectangular hollow structural sections than are available in the AISC Steel database. The Aluminum Shape database has been updated to reflect the 2020 version of the Aluminum Design Manual. When a timber shape is selected for a member, the material is appropriately set to posts and timbers or beams and stringers based on the shape that is selected from the database. In addition to adding new features to Shape Builder 12, improvements have been made to the help file, which is accessed by clicking the button in the ribbon. We hope you enjoyed the new features in Shape Builder 12 Thank you for watching and have a great day.